Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch a favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello lovely foodies, you're welcome to a brand new episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. I'm Chef Debbie, and today I'll be sharing with you my recipe for crispy, tasty, delicious fried chicken. Fried chicken, like we all know, is a traditional food in many different cuisines. Traditionally, African Americans perfected and modernized fried chicken, but originally it emanated from Scottish and West African cuisine. And from generation to generation, it has been perfected to the point where we have it now. Today, what I'm going to be showing you is how to have that crispy edge when you make your fried chicken. Trust me, it's delicious and it makes all the difference in the world. We are making fried chicken, so it goes without saying we need some chicken wings, flour, all-purpose flour. I have 2 eggs here, some milk, and the 5 spices here: onion powder, curry powder, thyme, garlic powder, and some salt. The recipe calls for breadcrumbs, so today, as a bonus, I'll be showing you how to make your own breadcrumbs, because in so many supermarkets you find out that you don't find it in our part of the world. But it's something that's so easy for you to make by yourself at home. You just need few slices of white bread, and I'll show you how to achieve to make your own breadcrumbs. What you need to do is have some pan on the fire. I have one here already. So you place your white bread slices in the hot pan, and you leave it there until it's crispy and golden brown on both sides. So we'll keep checking. Once it start browning on each side, I would flip it over to do the other side, and I'm trying to flip it around so that I can look at it. Yeah, so I'm trying to brown it on either side to toast it really without using, I'm not using any butter here, no oil, no butter, just toast the bread in the pan, in the hot pan. It's crisp, brown enough for me now, so what I'm going to do is to turn off the heat and wait for it to cool down a bit, and then transfer it into the food processor and crumble it up a bit. So that's set. So I'm inserting the blade part now. So this bread, I'm going to just break it up with my hands. And just pulse it for a few minutes. So I have broken up the bread, so I will now yes, it's set now, so put it on, lay it on low. So while the bread is crumbling up, I will add the milk to the egg and just whisk that together. Wow, this is too small. I'll go ahead to mix up the spices together. So we'll go ahead and season the chicken. I'll use my finger. Okay, so this is, I'll set this aside. I'll set that aside. I'll go ahead and season our flour too. And mix together. So, like that, this is done. We'll set this aside too. So we'll set this aside. So I'll add my egg mixture to the remainder of the spices. And mix together. So now the bread crumb is ready. I'm going to pour it into a bowl.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So we are done with our blender. So now what we are going to do is we're going to pick up your chicken wings. You dip it into the flour mixture. You make sure it's coated well. Coat, and then you transfer this, put it in the egg mixture, turn it and turn it, make sure it's well coated, and then pick it up, put it in the bread crumbs. Turn it around. So I will make sure it's well coated, and once it's done, I will put it in a plate. Just like that. So I will continue to apply the flour and egg mixture on each of the remaining chicken wings until they are all well coated. The chicken are now well coated, so I'm just going to clean up and we'll start frying. I have oil on the fire with some onion thrown in, so I'll just clean up here, and then we'll start frying the chicken.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So I am transferring the oil from this back burner because it's on low heat here to my fast or high burner here, just to make the frying process faster. Okay, so our oil is there. The temperature is right for me now, and I'll start frying. Yeah, wow, lovely. Within 8 to 10 minutes on medium high heat, you have your fried, crispy, delicious, tasty chicken. So the chicken is fried and deliciously crispy on all the edges. So I'm going to take it out of the hot oil now. I have a paper lined plate here. So we will put it, put my onions back in there. So you can turn off the heat. Yes, we're taking everything out now. So, and there you have it, your crispy, delicious fried chicken. This is our fried chicken. You can hear the crunch, and it needs to just cool down a bit now. Once it's a bit cold, it's ready to serve. You can serve this with a side of salad, vegetable salad, or pasta salad, or even ordinary coleslaw, and it will be delicious. So I'm adding just a little bit of salt to it, because when you take hot food out of the hot oil, the best time to salt it is when it's very hot, so that is salt and seasoning stick to the food as it comes out of the hot oil. So that's our crispy fried chicken, ready to serve.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello, and I have my guest here today. His name is Pamilerin. He's a friend of the house. Pamilerin, you're welcome to the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here. It's so nice. Can't wait to dig in right now.
I understand that you're a lover of fried chicken.
Yeah, I love fried
And
chicken so
I hope we'll be able to impress you with our chicken today.
The look is enticing already, so
Thank you. So let's dig in.
okay.
What do you think?
Wow, this is so nice. Really nice.
And the coleslaw?
It's heavenly.
Thank you.
So how tell me what you did to the chicken to make it this crispy? It's so nice.
No, thank you. Actually, I used two dipping methods. I first dip in flour, then I use breadcrumb and egg mixture.
Really?
Yes,
Wow,
yes.
That's so nice.
Thank you. That's what gave it the crispy edge.
Wow.
Thank you. How about the coleslaw?
Yeah, the coleslaw is I like it. It's milky. It's nice.
I especially love the purple cabbage. It's giving it a bright color. I love that.
Yeah, actually, this is the first time I've seen this purple cabbage. Actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It does shine different, and it's lovely. I love it. I love the visuals. So there you have it, viewers. Try my recipe. Let me know what you think. I'll be in the comment section to answer all questions and inquiries. Don't forget to follow us on all our other social media platforms. We are on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. I'm Debbie once again. Until the next episode of Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Bye.
Bye.
Shout out to all my fellow